Okay, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna unbox Apple MacBook Pro with a M1 chip. So I just received it yesterday, so you can see all the details over here. And so this is the box. So this is the first time I'm gonna unbox a M1 chip MacBook. So let's begin. So I just open up here and okay, this is the regular MacBook Pro box. I believe this is a 13-inch, guys. So let's open it up. Just move this aside. So guys, this is the box. So let's see what all things do we have here. Nothing much here. I could see the regular Apple MacBook Pro box. I don't see anything special or extra into it, so let me open it up. So yeah, the packaging film, I'm just removing it. So I've removed it. So this is how it looks, the box. So let's see what do we have inside. Okay, so I'm not going to turn it on right now. I'm just gonna remove the stuff. This is the main unit, the MacBook Pro 13-inch with M1 chip. The regular documentation, charger. Let me see the wattage. It's a 61, I'm not sure, it's a 61 watt USB-C type charger. Let me quickly remove this so that you guys can see it. Okay, I believe you can see it. It's a 61 watt USB-C type. I'll just move it aside. Then you have the regular documentation. I'm sure you'll get a sticker also. Yeah, you can get a sticker as well. I'm not gonna open this. This we usually see in all the boxes that Apple provides. And then you have the cable. This guys, usually they ship just a charge cable, not the data transfer cable, so you need to check that. If in case you are planning for data transfer, I would suggest you buy an additional cable. You could either buy a Belkin cable, or you could go for an Apple one itself. So let me just open this unit and let me just remove this. I'm not gonna move this box away. I'll just quickly fire it on. Okay, M1. So let's see. Well, the regular Apple logo and the progress bar. I don't think so you'll find anything different since it's an M1. Yeah, let's choose English. Then we'll choose, my region is India. I will choose India as the country. I'll hit next. And click continue. Then click continue. Not now. I'll do this later. Continue. I will then, let's go. Oh man, why it's not asking? Why is it skipping it? I'm so sorry guys, I had to skip that part because we ran into some issues with the Wi-Fi network, but right now it is all fixed. As you can see, I moved across the initial setup screen and this is the desktop. You could see the configuration here. It's 16 gig Mac M1 2020 model. So that's about it, guys. This was the unboxing of Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch with an M1 chipset and a 16 GB RAM. So if you have any questions, you can put it on the comment section below. And if you like the video, please do like and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.